I'm Jamie, and today on my channel we're going to talk about my favorites. I've never done one of these, and so yeah, I think it's about time. These are things that I've been loving for a long time, or just, recently, but basically everything combined that I love and that I can't live without. Okay, so if these things go missing, I would die. Okay, so anyways, let me clean up my glasses. But yeah, we'll just get started. By the way, I got 2 pairs of glasses new, so these are one. But anyways, let's start in my basket over here. I got a basket. And I had to bring all the stuff from my other bathroom to here. So I'm going to start off with these Bolero cleansing wipes. This one happens to be in Peony and Pear. You get these at the Dollar Tree. They're not bad at all. So if you need something on the fly and you're by a Dollar Tree, these are good. They really are. They're not bad at all. On the other hand, if you're getting something at the store, if you're at Walmart and you want something, I got this in a 2-pack. It's the Equate Makeup Remover Cleansing Towelettes. These are really good. I think they compare to the Neutrogena. I think they're Neutrogena, which are really, really good, but they're more expensive. So you can get like 2 of these almost for the price of 1. So good. These are good. And let's see here. A lot of this stuff is like bathroom stuff. So I love this. Like, if you get any scent of this, this is a Dr. Teal's foaming bath with pure Epsom salt. This is Soothe and Sleep. They have, I got the one with eucalyptus. I got the orange one. They all smell amazing. You just put some of it into your bath and it foams, and it's very gentle. So if it gets into your lady parts, it's okay. But this is great. And then I also use the actual Epsom salt. Dr. Teal's. It's a, it's an underrated brand. This stuff is awesome. Like, your bath smells awesome. It's like aromatherapy when you get in there. It's like, oh, it smells so good. So I do recommend any scent of these and any scent of these. They are magnificent. They smell magnificent. They just put you, they calm you or something, I feel. They just make you feel good. So let's go on to whatever this is. Oh, okay. On a whim, I got some face masks at Walmart. And sometimes I just do that, so I could have like a little bit of a, pamper night and do my hair, do my face and stuff, like put a mask on. So on a whim, I got this. It's the Freeman Milk and Peel. When you put it on, it's really gross and like textury. It's not good when you put it on. But the results afterwards of this, girl, why was my skin so, it was so smooth and it just looks so good. So yeah, it's gross and milk, like chunky, I don't know, but the after effects is what this is. Any of this Freeman brand masks are really good. I have some in tubes, so if you see this one particular, pick it up and see what you think of it. I swear my skin was so smooth, like, because it's like a peel, and it's a 1-minute peel. So like it, love it. Oh, and also from that brand, these are already used. So I also got the hot and cold mask. I did this when me and the girls were having like we had a little group chat, freaking girls night, and I used this and it was amazing. It was so cool. So yeah, anything Freeman brand on the mask, they do good. They really do. And for the hair, I really liked this one. It's Cha-Ching, and it's by Main Club. It has the cherry scent. It smells so good. This is really good. But if you can find the ones, I can't find them anymore. I don't know where the frick they went. They just poof went into thin air. They have the little like a little wine glass on them. They're like labeled rosé and stuff like that. Those are really good. But these are a good alternative. So you can get these at Walmart for $1 or something. So Now, don't judge me because I didn't clean this, but this wet brush, okay, I think I got this for about $5.99 or something like that. By the way, I don't know. I'll just try to put the prices in, but this wet brush here, it's got both bristles. I love this brush, love it. Okay, this is the best brush I think I've ever had. I just love it. It's kind of pretty too, kind of tacky and pretty at the same time. But I got this at like TJ Maxx, Marshalls, or something like that. But anyways, let's go into skincare. We're going back and forth here. So this is Garnier Micellar Water. Like, I just take cotton rounds and I put it on there. This lasts for quite a while, so you know, you'll have it around for a while. Like, I make sure that I'm like precise, so I don't like, so my cheapskate ass don't like waste it. But yeah, this is an all-in-one waterproof, removes makeup, even waterproof mascara, and it's really good. So what I do is I use my like regular face regimen, and then after that I'll take this and it'll still have makeup on it, and this gets everything off, especially in your eyes. Yes, queen. And then this I got at let me turn my lights down. I got this at Walgreens on sale, and I probably will repurchase it, but it is Your Good Skin. I think I got this for $5.99. It's kind of more expensive, but I got it on sale, and it's lasted forever. It's a large bottle. It's 6.7 ounces, and you just need a little bit. It helps with any sort of acne you're having. This is Active Treatment Tonic for Acne Clearing. Your Good Skin. You can get at Walgreens. I'm not sure how much the normal price is, but I got it for like $5.99. So if you do your, you know, research, you can get it on sale. Okay, let's go back. Wait, no, here. I got a whole basket over here. Okay, so this is the Secret Cool Light Airy Smooth Feel Dry Spray. So this is deodorant, and I just got this, but I'm loving it already. I'm probably gonna buy more and more of this. I got 2 of these. It says 48-hour freshness, and this one's a water lily. I don't know what the others smell like. They probably smell really good too, but I love this. Literally, I put this everywhere on my body. Sorry, not sorry. It doesn't hurt my body. I don't know if you're sensitive. My skin is sensitive, but it doesn't hurt me, so I put it everywhere, you know? So, recommend that. Let's see here. I also recommend the Dollar Shave Club. I'm not sponsored, of course, like my channel's too little. But the Dollar Shave Club, they send you these men type razors. These razors have, I don't know, they have 5 or 6 blades. Good. They are good. And they're cheap too. And these are hefty, and they're good weight. So these are good shavers. So, I'm sorry. I don't have a subscription with them. I got 2 times, and then I let my subscription go, but then I'll have to get it back once because they send you the razor and like 5 or 6 heads, and they last forever for me. So recommend. I do recommend the Dollar Shave Club. Let's go on to some makeup products real quick. Okay, so I got this out of my collection, and I've been using it like on the reg. This is Flexitarian by ColourPop. It is a highlight. So yeah, I've really been I can't believe it's lasted this long, and it is blinding. I don't know if you can see, but yeah, I just got this out of my collection, and I've been using it like every day. So I think any of their highlights are really good, but this is in Flexitarian, so you pick that up, see what you think of it, but it's really pretty. Like, I don't know if you can see, but I also been liking a lot are these, let me find all of them, are these Vivid Brights by NYX. And I also have an Epic Wear right here. So these Vivid Brights, Like I got this one on my eyes today. Love these. If you're doing any sort of like artistic thing like I did with my sunflower, these are amazing. I love these so much. Like I need to get the other colors. These are the ones I got for now. The white is called Epic Wear, and these are called Vivid Brights, but they're good. These, especially the Vivid Brights, they're good. Pick them up. These ones are $7.99 each at Walgreens. They might be cheaper at Walmart. And I think these are $9.99, something like that. But you won't be disappointed. So, and also, I just got these. And these here, these are the Fenty liners. I've had these for a while, but I still love these too. So if you want to spend a little bit more, I think they're $27, $25, something like that for 3. They're good. They really are. So been loving like colored liners. They're good for like artistic stuff. Sorry, I don't know what's going on. Okay, let's see. Let's go on to hair things. One of those mask things leaked. But today I just kind of went through my hair. I didn't really do a good job, especially on this side. But this is what I usually use. This is the Bedhead Wave Artist. It's a little dirty, sorry. It's old. I probably need to get a new one. But since my hair is already wavy, this is my favorite way to kind of amp up my hair is to use this. I've been using this for a while, so I probably need to get a new one. This one's getting kind of old. Yeah, see. It's real life here, but yeah, this is real nice. And I think it's about $25 or less. You can get it at Walmart, Walgreens. Love this. Like, look at the cute side. Like, it looks cute. So, okay. And this really changed my life. It is the Revlon, I'm not sure what it's called. I think it's all-in-one, one style or something like that. But I got this for $50 off of Amazon, and I love this. I have not used my, if you see my video where I use this, since that, I have not used my regular blow dryer. Like, this is good. And I'm going to show you what I use to make a really good, like, blowout look. Okay. This here. This L'Oreal Elvive 8 Second Wonder. Now you just put this in for 8 seconds. I usually leave it in longer, but what is in this? It's lamellar technology, and it has like the little measurements. You put in like 1 or 2 depending on your hair. I usually put in 1, but I should probably put in 2. This is amazing. This is like $10 and it lasts a while. You use this like once a week. It makes your hair amazing. I can't really explain it. It smooths like your split ends, and it just smooths things out. So this and the other stuff I'm going to show you, I'll show you at the end. I'm running out of room here. Let's go to another thing. Now this was one of my favorites, but I don't think they make it anymore. If you guys know if they make it anymore, let me know, because I never got a full size because I had so many samples of these. This is the Urban Decay Brow Endowed. I love it. It has these little tiny, yes, they get right in there to your eyebrows, but I don't think they make it anymore. So what else I've been loving is this Anastasia Beverly Hills. It's for your brows. I'm not sure exactly what it's called. I don't really like that kind of like spoolie. I like this one better. So, I don't know. But this is the Anastasia, and I'm not sure what it is. I'm not sure what it's called. But this is a sample size. I also been liking the Jawbreaker. I haven't used it a lot lately, but it's really pretty. It's good for summer. You know, it's a great formula in this. I love this. And then my all-time favorite palette. You see me using this all the time. And I think this is underrated palette. Like the Mama Mitchell palette. It's a little dirty, you know. But I love this thing. Like, I reach for this all the time, especially when I'm doing my collabs. I love this palette. Love it. Okay. Okay, let's see here. And for hair, I also love these Pantene. This is a dry shampoo, but this hairspray is good too. They're in the same bottles. Hairspray, dry foam shampoo, dry shampoo. This brand is good, and I like the cute little, the aesthetic of it. But I think these are almost $7, 6 something for these, so it ain't too bad. And I got 3 different ones, and I like to use them for my hair. I like them just sitting on my counter because they look cute. But girl, these are good. These are good. So pick them up. This is a weird thing, and I got it at the Dollar Tree. So you can get these fans, and I got 2 of them, and I love them. Dollar Tree, girl. Look. Slay. I mean, slay. Okay, so you can get these cute fans at the Dollar Tree along with these wipes. So there's 2 things that are cheap AF right now. And let me see, what do I got here? I think it's everything besides the piece de resistance. Did I even say that right? This has saved me so many times. Like, I'm not going to use anything but these ever, ever again. Listen, these Suave Moroccan Infusion, they saved me. They saved my hair. It's the only thing I can use on my hair, girl. Only thing. They smell pretty good. I think they're the best. Like, don't use the Biotine. Don't use the other ones. Only Moroccan Infusion. Because I got the Biotine one. I'm like, you know, they're in the same gold bottles. They're going to be fine. It's going to be cool. No, girl. Only this brand. Listen, if you don't buy anything in this haul here, buy these. You have thick, coarse, and damaged hair. Girl, buy. Go buy these. Okay? So, yeah, I use this, and this, and it is like a really beautiful blowout. Like, everything's straight and soft, and girl, go buy at least, if anything, these. Okay, so I think that is everything for my favorites. Most of it's very affordable, and it's just great stuff, you know. So I'll try to put the prices on there, but you know me. I don't know. We'll see what happens. Oh, I've been liking these Kiss press-on nails too. So any of the Kiss press-on nails with the Kiss glue. But yeah, these are pretty cute. But anyways, I think that is everything for my things I love, my favorites. So make sure you try out some of these things, especially that shampoo. You will not be, you know, depressed or whatever you call that. You will not be let down. Anyways, so make sure you like this video, give me a comment below, and I'll be back later with some other sort of crazy thing. Thanks for watching.